responsible for it. Your Reliance, your TCS, your HDFC Bank, your weakness in an ITC. So lots of the big boys contributing to the down move. It wasn't an isolated move just in a couple of stocks. Autos were, of course, quite weak. We saw that in Mahindra and Mahindra. It's the weakest name on the Nifty, down about 3.5% at close. Tata Motors, you had Maruti as well, moving on the lower side. Hero Motor was down about 1.5%. So weakness on auto. Some more consumer names. Titan, for instance, Tata Consumer. So consumer stocks not particularly doing too well today. The flip side was not much. There was a Bharti Airtel that was reacting to a positive CLSA report. There was Tata Steel. There's some bottom fishing going on in steel stocks today, and maybe an L&T. But besides that, you can't really count too many major Nifty gainers today. So Rima, a pretty weak session that basically sort of takes us, almost back to the drawing board. Not quite, but I think almost with the strength of this fall that we've seen today.
Yeah, absolutely. Two possible reasons, right, for the weakness. One, the kind of run-up that we had over the last 3 days. Remember, the low on the Nifty last week was 17,255. From that level, the Nifty had rallied 500 points in a span of 3-4 days to get us to levels of 17,750. And from there today, we have seen a very sharp correction of 170 points. And the second reason could be nervousness ahead of the US jobs data, which comes out after the Indian market shut for trade tomorrow. So there could be some nervousness ahead of that. The midcap index also ends in the red. The midcap index is down more than 0.5%, but relatively it has outperformed. The cuts on the midcap index are less compared to the Nifty and the Sensex, though the advanced decline ratio is decisively in favor of the losing side. If you have to put it in numbers, we had about 2 stocks in the green for nearly 3 in the red. Let's run you through some of the big losers. One of them is Home First Finance, where we had a large block deal of close to about 8% stake take place. We understand a large VCPE sold their holding in Home First Finance. Gokuldas Exports, where the promoters sold about a 10% stake. Sugar stocks came in for some profit taking. So Bajaj Hindustan takes a big knock of 6%. Sri Renuka down 4.5%. New age tech companies like Nykaa got hit. Nykaa down 3%. On the gaining side, Electra Green Tech, that stock's been just flying high. Upper circuit of 20% for Sequence Scientific as well. And then towards the end, you had other names like Maharashtra Seamless rallying on large volumes. Rights made an up move in the last 30 minutes, the stock ending with gains of 5.5%. But down day for a market's weak. Benchmark indices lose 1%. So we're going to wrap up on Closing Bell. From the entire team, thank you for watching. Don't go anywhere. Our Tuesday special, Big Deal, comes up next.